Hello, my Foxies. This is Foxy by Nature from Girl You Foxy. And yes, it's that time again. We're going to reveal what we received in our Izzy&Liv brown sugar box for the month of November. So we finally received our box. So before we jump right in, if you already haven't become a subscriber to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that way you don't miss out on another great video from Girl You Foxy. We don't want you to miss it. So here we go. We're going to jump right in to see what we received in our Izzy&Liv brown sugar box. And the box packaging came and it was written, it had fragile written on it. And it looked shaped kind of funny, and it had an extra piece inside that wasn't inside of the normal box. So I was like, wow, this is something exciting. So it really must be something really, really nice and big, and something that we've all been waiting for. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to open up the box and see what the theme is for this month. So we actually have two magazines, or one looks like the regular magazine, and that theme is Winter Warmth Edition. And then this one looks like a holiday gift guide. So it looks like it's a little catalog of some things inside that we can actually order for Christmas gifts for our family members. So that is exciting. So we get to go through here and find some things that we can purchase and send off to our family members or friends or anyone, neighbors, anybody who inspires you or you want to inspire them. This would be a perfect company to go through Izzy&Liv and get some actual items that fit us as African American women. So I'm excited to see what received inside this month. And the first item that I'm pulling out of the box, it looks like we got some cozy little socks just in time for those cold months. So we're going to go ahead and open this up and see what our socks looks like. And we got 3 pairs of cozy socks. If you want to see that. Cute colors. Nice fall type of colors with some African American ladies on it. And then we have another pair. It must be the melanin. So that matches our must be the melanin t-shirts that we received in some of our previous boxes. So I'm excited to wear these with that t-shirt. That's cute. And then the next pair of socks, it has Queen written on it. Black Queen, hello, love. Just some inspiring things for us just to put on and walk around and just feel inspired. So I'm excited. Now, the retail value for these stockings, let's see what that is. Now, the retail value, put on my glasses, they actually retail for $18. So you get a 3-pack for $18. Cute gift. Gifts for less than 20 bucks. Perfect place to get something like that for family members. Okay. The next item in the Izzy&Liv bag. Perfect timing. It is a beanie. Looks like a beanie cap or a cap for the winter that we can put on because it's surely getting cold out. And it says, silently judging you. How cute is that? And the inside is satin lined so it doesn't mess up our edges and break our hair off. So this is perfect for the winter to put on, keep our heads warm. And this is really cute. And I like this color because I actually have a jacket this color. So this is actually going to match perfectly and perfect for Christmas as well if you're going to be out there in the cold. Now, this cap is actually, let's see what the retail value of that is called. A satin lined beanie, like I thought it was, and it is one of 24 different designs. one of four, I'm sorry, designs, and it is $25. How cute is that? Okay. And then our next item in the bag, it looks like Grace Coffee of Grace, medium to light coffee. So this is perfect for the warm months. If you like coffee, my husband's gonna love this. I don't drink coffee, but he does, so he'll be willing and great and give me some feedback on how the coffee tastes, because he loves his coffees. So now the coffee actually retails for, Coffee of Grace roasted coffee is $7, and it's one of 3 flavors of your different coffees. And I got the Kiwu flavor, whatever flavor that is, medium to light flavor. Now this coffee retails for $7. Okay. And our next item in our Izzy&Liv box. Actually, I'm going to save this one for last. But I want to open up this extra box that was on the side of the box. It wasn't in the box, so it was so big that they couldn't fit it in there, which is great. So we're going to go ahead and open this up. And see what it is. Well, the first piece that I pulled out, it looks like a nice little spoon of some sort. And then, oh wow, it looks like a little crown. Okay, so we got the gold spoon with the crown. And the final piece of it, once we get it out, it's packaged in there really good, ladies. Bow down to the queen. How cute is that? And then this is the little coaster, I'm guessing, that it goes to. And you can just set your coffee cup on top, I'm guessing, if that's what that is. Or do you put this on top to keep the coffee? Oh, you put this on top to keep your coffee warm and when you're at the office or when you're at the desk. How cute is that? And you take it off. Go ahead and take your sip. Put your top back on. Or you can take the spoon. Just stir it up. Drinking your teas, coffee, hot cocoa, whatever you like to put in it. There it is. You have it, your ladies. So this actually retails for $25. And it comes in 3 different designs. Okay. Royal mug with crown and spoon. Perfect, perfect, perfect. So there you have it. Now, the next item, you know it's always something to wear. And this is what it looks like. I'm going to open it up. And it looks like it is a button-down, looks like a shirt or a tunic. So it's one of those large, collared, kind of oversized shirt. And I like the sleeves, how they kind of flare out a little bit. And I like the material, how it feels, and the colors. And it has a crown, so it actually matches your mug. How cute is that? So you know how it goes at the end of my videos. We're going to do a video on what this looks like on. And it's pretty long. It goes down pretty long. So we'll be excited to try that on at the end of the video. Now, this button-up tunic retails for $33. $39. How cute is that? And it comes in 5 different designs. How cute is that? So I got this design with the red and the black and the yellow, which I love these colors. But they have a bunch of different colors and styles for you to choose from. And I would be so excited and hope that by me showing you what I received, you receive something and you'll be inspired to show us what you received as well. So I'm looking forward to seeing some of yours as well. Okay, so there you have it. We have our items. We have our tunic shirt. We have our crown and spoon cup. We have our beanie cap. And we have our coffee. And we have our comfy cozy socks. So all excited. So there you have it. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button before you leave the channel. And I will be tuning out for now, but watch the video of what the shirt looks like. I'll see you guys.